The Generate Store and Batch Edit buttons are disabled until you tick to select at least one book in the search results. Select the books you'd like to add and click the button. Batch Edit button opens all the selected books in their own tabs on the Edit Details page within KDP. This is great for when you have a number of similar books which all need a quick tweak at the same time. Useful also for books that have recently received good reviews so you can quickly increase the price. When you click the Generate Store button, you'll be taken to a new page. Here you'll be prompted to choose a marketplace for your store, optionally enter an associate's ID if you have one, and finally to generate the link to copy to the clipboard for sharing. Click to display an Amazon web page with just your selected books available for sale. As with the bookshelf dashboard, keep your eye on the info bar as you hover around the Popup app to get more info about that specific control.